Hi friends, in this video I would be showing user manual of Preethi Zodiac mixer grinder. In this user manual you would be able to find how to use each jar, speed control settings and pulse usage, operating limits, overload protection system, reset procedure using the red button at the bottom, cleaning and maintenance guidelines, common troubleshooting steps, warranty details and service contact info. You can also find product overview and parts description, safety instructions and electrical requirements. If this video is useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.